What if I told you that everything you know about running an online business is about to get a whole lot simpler? That the countless tabs, the hundreds of dollars in monthly subscriptions, and the 60-hour work weeks could all end today? They did for me. And it all started with one tool, AI Titan. Let's be real for a second. My life as a marketer was a chaotic blend of writing blog outlines, trying to build landing pages that might convert, and staring at analytics dashboards that made my head spin. I was working insane hours, but most of it was spent on repetitive, time-sucking tasks. The work that actually grew my business, strategy, client relations, innovation, was always on the back burner. I was burning out, and I was skeptical when I heard about another revolutionary AI tool. But the promise of a true all-in-one platform was too compelling to ignore. So I decided to test it, rigorously. After just 1 week of using AI Titan, the results weren't just impressive, they were transformative. This tool single-handedly saved me over 15 hours in a single week. My content output tripled without me spending extra time. But the real magic was in the results. One of the landing pages I built with its AI generated a 22% higher conversion rate than my usual pages. It helped me identify a failing ad set, saving me hundreds of dollars. This isn't just a tool, it's a business partner. So, what exactly is AI Titan? It's not just another AI writer. It's your digital marketing command center. The moment you log in, you see the vision, a streamlined workflow. Plan, create, build, analyze. This is a unified system, not a bag of disconnected parts. Let me show you the core features that became my new superpowers. First, the profit page builder. I needed a high-converting landing page for a new lead magnet. Instead of wrestling with a page builder for hours, I described my offer to AI Titan. In under 3 minutes, it generated a complete sales page, copy, structure, everything. It even has built-in A/B testing. This feature alone can replace expensive freelance designers or complicated software. Next, the multi-format content creator. This is where the time savings explode. From a single prompt, AI Titan can generate a full blog post and then instantly repurpose that core message into a video script, social media captions, and an email newsletter. The content is coherent and only needs a light human touch. It's a collaborator, not a replacement. And finally, the secret weapon, AI-powered analytics. This isn't just data. AI Titan connects to your analytics and ad accounts and tells you what the numbers mean. For me, it identified an underperforming ad set I was about to double down on and recommended a more profitable segment. That single insight saved me hundreds of dollars and redirected my budget to where it actually worked. Now, you might be thinking, is this for me? If you're in any of these categories, the answer is a resounding yes. Business owners wearing 10 different hats and feeling stuck in the daily grind. Marketers and agency owners who need to deliver more results for clients without working 24/7. Content creators and YouTubers who want to scale their content production across multiple platforms. Freelancers tired of juggling a dozen different software subscriptions for every client task. Basically, anyone who is serious about leveraging AI not as a gimmick, but as a core system to grow their business and get their most valuable resource back, their time. You might have some doubts. I did too. Is there a steep learning curve? Honestly, the interface is intuitive. I was building and creating effectively within an hour. Do I have to pay a huge monthly fee? This is the best part. The front-end price for the core AI Titan platform starts at a stunningly low one-time payment. Compare that to the combined cost of separate tools for writing, SEO, and page building. It's a steal. And it's all backed by a 100-day money-back guarantee, making this a truly risk-free decision. My final verdict? AI Titan is a legitimate, powerful, and intelligently designed platform. It's the difference between having a box of tools and having a fully automated factory. It has fundamentally changed how I work, and I cannot imagine going back. Having this powerful tool is one thing, but taking action is what separates dreamers from doers. Right now, For a limited time, you can get access to AI Titan at that incredible one-time launch price. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Click the first link in the video description below. That will take you to the official AI Titan checkout page. Step 2. Secure your access. Remember, you're covered by the 100-day money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk. Step 3. Start reclaiming your time and scaling your business. The launch price won't last forever. Don't get stuck wondering what if while others are already using this technology to get ahead. Your future self will thank you for taking this step. Click the link. Get AI Titan. And start building the business you always wanted, today. If this video added value and showed you a path to a simpler, more profitable business, then definitely hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-talking reviews and strategies. Now, go get your AI Titan. I'll see you in the next video.